Welcome to Biafra Battle Cry TV, where Biafra is not just only our identity, it is our faith. Here, we stand firm in our devotion to the cause and to our leader, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, champion leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, IPOB.
Just had a very productive meeting with the chairman of the market. Our message is very simple. We want Nnamdi Kanu to be free on Monday. They can free him before Monday. We have to get them. They already start. On Monday, we're moving to Aso Rock Villa. So, we are appealing to every one of you. Anybody that can move on Monday. If you cannot move, ask somebody to carry you. We are going to Aso Rock Villa. Our meeting point is Unity Fountain. And from there we move to Aso Rock Villa. I am going to lead it personally. As I said to many people, I don't have tribe. I'm only interested in justice. And I know injustice when I see injustice. Yes, sir. Because you guys know me very well. I get charged to report every week. So I know when I say useless card, I know it. This Nnamdi Kanu's case is the most useless case in the docket of any court. That is why since 2021, they have not been able to move from arraignment to anything else. I'm around here with his lawyers. We have been walking around, and one thing we know is that Nnamdi Kanu never committed any offense. And when you don't have an offense, you cannot have a trial. Yes, sir. You cannot have a trial. If you are doing a trial, it cannot be called prosecution, it will be called most of you who are Christians, you know about the wall of Jericho. When the wall was going to fall, what did they say we should do to it? March 7 times, Sabi. Monday, we are not marching 7 times. One time, straight to Aso Rock Villa. And I'm aware that Tinubu has run away. I hope he will come back. He's not discovered that he needs to stand. He's roaming around in Rome. We have a duty, and it's a historical duty, to get our brother out from this nonsense trial, from nonsensical trial. They have sent message to me that I should please allow the court to do its work. And I told them that the people who send the message to us, they are the same people who were facing corruption trial, and they did not trust the court. And they now want us to trust the court. And Igbo is not good, but now the people where Igbo they call Onyezuzu with that. Onyezuzu. Foolish people. And then they talk to him, oh, go and face the trial. When they finish, they want to force him into a conviction. That's what I will be begging for pardon. You cannot, I'm not here to ask for pardon. You cannot jail a person who didn't commit a crime. Yes, sir. And then be asking us to ask for pardon. The people that needs to be arrested, tried, is Boko Haram, bandits, and but most importantly, the international kidnappers that went to Kenya to kidnap Nnamdi Kanu. You must know them, they must be tried and jailed. Because they committed an international crime. That is our very simple message to you. Monday, 7 a.m., please. We have met the chairman, and we have asked the chairman to also contact other chairmen that markets should close on Monday. Close down the markets, even if it is from 7 to 12, so that they know say we know the play.
Holy, holy.
Thanks for watching Biafra Battle Cry TV, where Biafra is not just only our identity, it is our faith. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to stay connected to the heartbeat of the resistance. Thanks for watching, and may Biafra rise.